Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RIRI, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So here's the doll. This is a Barbie doll. Okay, so here we have the doll right here. She has brown hair, and right on the side of her hair, she has pink strips. And she has goggles. She has a pink scarf. Her outfit is pink too, blue and gray. It has hearts, snowflakes, and polka dots. And her pants are like silver gray. They're shiny. I love them. Her shoes are pink. They have stars on it. And then she has, and her legs are also bendable. And then she has like a slushie in her hand. And then we have the sled. It says Barbie right here. It has like the stuff where she's supposed to hang on to it. And it's pink. Then we have the snowman. It has a hat. It's blue and pink. Then it has these so that the snowman and the doll can sit down. And then she has a helmet. It has snowflakes on it. It's very cute. So now we're going to attach this. Okay. Now we're going to add the snowman onto there. And that's how she looks. Let's put on the glasses, goggles, and the helmet. And there she is. So here's our next doll.
Barbie beekeeper.
A Barbie beekeeper. So here we have the doll. And she has like this hat. She has a ponytail. Her hair is brown and blonde. And she has a coat. It has bees on it. She has gloves. She has
Cute
jeans, blue jeans, and then she has some brown shoes, boots. Then we have where she keeps the bees and the honey, and this can come out. This can spin, and then this back here can open, and the flowers can come off, and the flowers are pink and red. Then we have this, and we attach it here. Then we have this to attach. Okay. Next we have these tiny little bees. And then we have little bottles of honey. And then we put the honey here. I think we put the bees, I think, in here. Yeah, I think we keep the bees. We add them into this little thing right here. And then we're going to attach that right there. And that's it.